All right, this is part 4 of the dance tutorial to Can't Stop the Throb here at Vibe House Pilates here in Crown Point, Indiana. Like I said, from part 3, this is gonna be a little bit easier. We're actually gonna have like a whole measure where we're not even moving, okay? That's how easy it is, okay? All right, so getting on into it, where we last left off, we went to, coming on down, so we ended here. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to bring our right leg out so that we have our legs outward, and we're going to bring one, and we're going to start rocking. Okay, start rocking to the right, left, okay? And during that time, we're going to hit 1 up out of your head, 2 by your chest, 3 a little lower, and then we're going to point. Okay, so that should look like 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're going to point all the way out on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving right along for 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to bring pointers like this, cross over our shoulders, and this will be even easier because we don't have to move our arms now. All you have to do is move to the right, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So try to get those crazy 8s in those hips. You know, that's what you want to do, crazy 8s, okay? So that first move, we're doing the hands coming down. The second time, we just have our hands pointing over our shoulders. Nice and simple, okay? So moving right along, after we do 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to point to our right, but once we do, we're going to slide to the left, okay? So, from here, we're going to slide to the left by pointing to the right, and we're going to point up once our feet come together, okay? So we're going to 1, 2, now let's go the other way, 3, 4, and here's the fun one, the whole measure where you don't have to do anything. For me, we're making a heart pose together in the band. I come down to make the lowest V, the lowest little, that's on 5. And you just hold that, 5, 6, 7, 8. So literally 5, 6, 7, 8. You can have any pose you want at the end, whatever is to your heart's content. Just personally for me in the band, it's best that I go down in the little heart pose, but that's just what I'm gonna do. So let's do all of this from the top. I told you it was a little easier than part 3. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's pretty much it. And part 5, I will put them all together, everything from part 1 through part 4, nice and slow so you can dance along. All right, stay tuned for part 5.